What's up, Team T, baby? I hope you guys are all doing amazingly fantastic. Today I'm showing you how to make, okay, I had too much matcha, let me just, vegan crack, Japanese crack. Today I'm showing you how to make some of my favorite cookies, and you know I only bake with benefits. So I am going to be using in this recipe some really good ingredients, really easy, and you guys have to try this. Like, I've made this before and haven't filmed it, so I had to film it for you guys. I already know that these taste like a god, like there's heaven sent. So I'm still going to do the taste test for you, but sometimes I can't even pull out the expression of like how good this is. And when you try it, you're like, oh my gosh, like this is a vegan cookie. It's like it doesn't even taste vegan or whatever. I mean, it's just vegan, you know, it doesn't have dairy or butter, or I don't use regular basic sugar because I know basic white bitch. But sorry, to be real, there's so many other sugars that you can use besides just regular white sugar, which is the unhealthy vegan way. So anyways, almond butter, I'm obsessed. I'm using almond butter. Almond meal, I'm going to use oats magoats, but I'm blending it up as like a flour. I'll use some agave, coconut sugar. All these ingredients are beneficial for you and good and better for you. And then vegan chocolate, and plus they're really high in protein because the oats and also the almond butter. And then also like all the other little essentials like baking powder, vanilla, stuff like that. But they're so easy and they're so good, and I really hope you guys try these recipes, because the way I feel after I eat these, or during I'm eating these when I have my sweet tooth, like I just wish you all could be eating at the same time. So like I want to see your pictures, I want to see your videos, I want to see you guys making them, and I want to know how you like them, because I wish I could literally just share this with the world. It's one of my goals, it's just to share with you guys the taste that I am experiencing. Like, I am the biggest foodie, so it's like, for me, it's like, oh, you guys all need to try this in your life. Anyways, let's get baking. freaking goddesses right here? Like, just, it's still steaming hot. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of there. I'm still gonna do a taste test for you guys because, you know, I always do, even though I already know this shit is fire. And even though it's burning hot right now, but I got you. Oh my god. You guys, sometimes you get a little bit of chocolate. Sometimes I'm like, I did this? I made you? I didn't even carry you for 9 months and I birthed you? Like, you're the most amazing thing that's ever happened to me. Yeah, I know. I know. I don't know what to say. Okay. I'm like lost of words when I eat because I'm just like, wow, girl, you did it again. You did it again. But, finger looking good. And I can't even stand when people do that. But I just did it because it's that good. Okay, you guys. Good thing I had lunch, or else I'd probably eat that whole entire batch right now. Those are also good for like a breakfast cookie. If you want like a cookie for breakfast, you can also add protein into the recipe, even though it has protein because of the oats and the almond butter, etc. But I really hope you guys give these a try and send me your pictures, email me. I put everything in the description below. I love to see them. And that's all I have for you guys today. Oh, the other thing, before I go, in the comments, or send me, or whatever, send me something that you guys want me to make, that you want me to recreate. I love recreating things that you guys suggest. So I've had a lot of recreation meals, so send me your suggestions anytime, any day, any video I post. Send me things you want me to recreate, to make vegan, that aren't vegan. Send me recipe ideas, whatever, okay? Alright, I love you all and thank you all for your love and support.